Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, we traded today. We won. So let's go over the trade. So as far as news, we only had these orange folder news that we had. And then these tentative for the President Trump speaking. He didn't have those whenever I started trading today. So we were looking pretty clear as far as news. Coming into market open. Yeah, coming into market open, we were making continuation of the 4-hour bearish, what's it called, structure, order flow that I was looking at yesterday. This was yesterday where, we came in here, tapped into this, and then came all the way down to sweep out all of these lows here, lows here, lows here. So I was bearish once again for the day. Yeah, and then we came in, actually, let me show you guys. Here we had a bearish SMT since price came all the way up here on both of the indexes previously, right there. But what happened was that NQ did take those highs, but ES didn't. So we have a high time frame SMT there. We go into the 5-minute. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, we go into the 5-minute after taking that liquidity. We then look for a break of structure. We look for one. We don't get that until this candle here, which is the break of structure. So then we push back after that. After getting the break of structure, we then look for entries on the 1-minute. And I was actually I was stopped out multiple times. Well, actually just one time, because in the 5-minute, Jesus, I have to do this shit every time. On the 5-minute, where am I at? On the 5-minute, our displacement candle that gave us break of structure was all the way up here. So if I should have put my stops all the way up here, but that was going to give me, it was still a good risk reward, right? But I wanted a tight risk reward. So yeah, as soon as I entered, because I entered, where did I enter? Let me see 1 second. Executions. Yeah, I entered off of this candle here, which we got that inverse. So I entered here. What I could have done differently is leave my stops here and then just targeting these lows down here, right there, for a 4.26 risk reward ratio. What happened was that after we get the break of structure, I then put my stops at break even. Price then comes up, stops us out, and then comes down from there. Yeah, this trade, I could have just done it like that after this inverse, because if an inverse is a gap, then it would have been an invalid trade. So this could have been the best trade that I could have taken with my fill-in entry here, targeting all of this down here. It would have been a perfect trade. But I didn't do that. I stopped us out of break even right here. So then I shorted off of this candle, which closed below the one that stopped us out, creating a lot of bearish potential. So then I came in and then put my stops right here, right on this candle for changing the state of delivery in case we get that. And then I get stopped out. I get wicked out. So then I see this other candle right here. So then I entered off shorts there. Same thing. I put my stops right there. Put my stops right there. And then price does its thing. It comes up here to just, I don't know, it just came up here to fill more orders, I guess. And then we then get a break of structure right there. Let me remove the executions 1 second. Yeah, we get multiple break of structures. We get one. It was, where was it? Run right here, and then one over here, which this one was not a break of structure. Yeah, we get this break of structure, so then that gave me confirmation to move my stops to break even. I think I put them at break even, right? No. Actually, no, I didn't, because this is why. I was waiting for it to hit TP1 right here, where I took one contract off. I was waiting for it to hit TP1, so then I can move my stops to break even, and then after that happened, it was good from there. Because if I would have put it at break even here right after the break of structure, that would have gotten stopped out by the wick. So yeah, I put a break even after it hit TP1, break even, sold one contract, one micro, and then it stopped us out at final take profit. Good trade. You know, the strategy that I've been working on, it actually works, and it's working. This is the first trade that I actually take in my funded account with this strategy, which it worked. Only risked like 150 on this trade. Yeah, a 36 point stop loss for 3 micros. I was like around what? 400? No, not 400, sorry. Like 200, 250, 200. It was just like 200 that I was risking because I had lost the other trade prior to that. But yeah, our account balance is currently, let me close this and then close. To be honest, I don't know why there's so much shit in here. Let's see, let me move this over here. Positions. What is this? Yeah. So here is the position that I took. Let me just go back a little bit. Oh, not that far. Let me move this up here. Yeah, this is the position that I took. Quote info, is that how it works? No. Orders. Positions. Is that it? Is that not showing me? I guess it's just showing me my realized P&L. So I made $400 in a couple minutes there, which is great. It was, yeah, a couple minutes. It was great. Good strategy. And I am still down on my funded account because of the trade that I took prior to that, which I risked $900 to do that. So I shouldn't have done that, but now that I know that my strategy is good, because that one it wasn't even part of this strategy, but now that I know my strategy is good, I will be risking more. I'll be risking around 400 to 500 per trade so that we can pass the account, since, you know, we want to get funded as fast as we can. As long as we're following our rules, we're staying disciplined, we are staying consistent. One thing that I did notice is that here in this trade, I stayed so calm. I was disciplined. It was great. Even though I was at work, you know, I was looking at it while doing some work. It wasn't affecting my work. So I was able to balance them together today. It was great. And within a couple minutes, in and out, done for the day. And yeah, that's great. That's kind of what I'm striving for the rest of my life, just to be able to come in, market open, couple minutes go in, and then either take a trade or don't trade. Depends on what I see and how I like the market, how like it's going, because you have to react about what the market is giving you. You don't predict the market, you know, you follow what the market is giving you, so that it gives you confirmation that it's going there. You know, it's I thought it was gonna be harder. It's really simple. This is really simple shit, and I thought it was gonna be harder, but it took me a whole year and like 4 months to figure this shit out. But I figured it out, and then from here, we're just gonna scale up all the way to the top. Obviously, I'm talking once we pass the funded account and we are able to copy trade multiple accounts, which is gonna be kind of weird because I will have to just have one account here in TradingView and then run the other ones in Top Step X, so I can actually, you know, place the same trades in multiple accounts at the same time. But yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow I will be trading again. We don't have any news at all. Hopefully Trump doesn't speak tomorrow and doesn't fuck up the markets at all. Yeah. I can't wait, man. I can't wait. If you guys have been following me through this process, thank you for keeping up and following me through my journey. I'm not there yet. I'm not saying I'm profitable yet, but I know I'm speaking it into existence because I know it's going to work. This shit is just a matter of time, and I'm going to make this shit work. And then also, Barca plays today, Barcelona. If you guys are soccer fans, I got sexy ass jersey. We got Lamine Yamal on the back. Shit, hold on. Yeah, that's fucking tough, man. We got Lamine Yamal on the back, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I take a trade or if I don't see a trade. So see you guys.